How to make $100 per day online. Learn 5 steps anyone can start today. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and seeing $100 sitting in your account. No boss, no experience, no 9 to 5, just your phone, your Wi-Fi, and 5 simple steps that anyone can follow. Sounds impossible, right? But here's the real shock. Millions of people are already doing this every single day. Some are teenagers, some are parents, some are people who were completely broke until they learned the exact steps I'm about to show you. And before you think this is too good to be true, let me tell you something even crazier. There are 5 online methods right now growing faster than any job in the world. Most people never learn them because they stay stuck in old systems. And the real truth, the people earning $100,300 per day aren't smarter, they just learned the secret early. But today, that secret becomes yours. In this video, you'll discover the step-by-step plan to make your first $100 online, the biggest mistake that keeps beginners broke, and the one strategy that separates people who win from people who quit. And trust me, the final reveal near the end will change the way you look at online income forever. So stay with me, because what you're about to learn may be the moment your life finally shifts. Let me show you exactly how this happened. Before we jump into the steps, you need to understand why this works today more than ever before. Right now, the world is going through a massive digital shift. People are buying online. Businesses are selling online. And the most shocking part, more money moves online in a single day than most countries move in a whole year. This means one simple thing: if you learn the right online skill, you can tap into this river of money from anywhere. And here's the important part most people don't know: you don't need a fancy degree. You don't need expensive tools. You don't even need a laptop. You can start with your phone. But here is the twist: while millions of people are searching for ways to make money online, only a small group actually succeed. Why? Because beginners jump into random methods with no plan. They watch hundreds of videos. They try 10 different ideas. And then they quit. But the people who win, the ones making $100, $200, even $500 per day, they do something very different. They follow a system, a clear path, a simple step-by-step plan. A plan built on 5 easy skills. Just 5, not 20, not 50, not every method on YouTube. Just 5 steps, and they repeat those steps until they win. This video gives you those exact 5 steps, the same ones real people worldwide are using right now. And here's where things get interesting. These steps work even if you have no experience, have no followers, have no money to invest, because the real power isn't in the tools, it's in the strategy. And now, here's where things get really interesting. Most people try to earn money online by searching for easy tricks. That never works. The people earning $100 a day, they do something much smarter. They find a skill that is already in high demand and they sell it to people who desperately need it. Sounds simple, but this is the game changer. Here are the 3 easiest skills anyone can learn fast. 1. Video editing. Short-form videos, TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts. Everyone wants viral videos. Businesses pay $20.80 per video. If you edit 5 shorts a day, boom, that's your $100. 2. Thumbnail designing. This one is shocking. People pay $5.25 for 1 thumbnail. Some designers make $200 a day just creating 10 thumbnails. 3. Simple social media management. Reply to comments. Post daily content. Manage messages. Businesses pay $100,300 per week for this. None of these require a degree, money to start, fancy equipment, just learning and consistency. Here's a real-life example. A 17-year-old kid from the Philippines started editing TikTok videos for $5 each. Within 3 months, he was making $120 a day. Not because he was talented, but because he picked one skill and did it consistently. Here's the point: if you want to make $100 per day, don't chase 20 ideas. Choose one skill, improve it for 7-10 days. Start offering it to people. Simple. But if you think that's crazy, wait until you hear this next part, the biggest reveal. Step 3. Package your skill into a simple offer. This is the part nobody talks about. People don't just pay for skills, they pay for offers. If you want to make $100 a day, you don't say, "I can edit videos." You say, "I will create 5 viral TikTok videos for $50 per day." Or, "I will design 10 clickable thumbnails for $20 each." Or, I will manage your social media for $100 per week. See the difference? The first one is generic. The second one is valuable, clear, easy to understand, easy to buy. This is why some people make 20-day and some make 200-day with the same skill. Your money depends on your offer, not your skill. Now let's connect everything. If you choose one skill, find clients, offer a clear package, you're already 70% of the way to 100-day. But what does this mean for us today?
Here's the truth. We're living in the easiest time in history to make money online. Your phone can reach thousands of clients daily. Your skill can be sold in 10 different countries. And your earning potential is unlimited. But here's the important part. Money online does not come from hard work. It comes from smart work. The smartest people online follow 5 steps. 1. Learn one simple skill. 2. Find people who need it. 3. Make a clear offer. 4. Deliver fast. 5. Repeat daily. Consistency beats talent. Here are the future predictions. Video editing will double in demand. Thumbnail designers will be needed for years. Online work will replace many physical jobs. Those who start now will get ahead early. This is your chance. Your opening. But before we wrap up, there's one final thing you need to know. You've learned the 5 steps. You've seen the strategy. But here's the final twist. Most people won't do anything. They will watch this video, feel excited, and then do nothing. But a very small group, maybe 1 out of 100, will take action. That one person becomes the one who makes $100 per day, who becomes financially free, who changes their life. Here is the final message. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be experienced. You just need to start. Start learning. Start offering. Start taking small steps. Because the moment you take the first step, your online journey begins. And just like millions of others, this might be the moment your life begins to change. Your first $100 is not far. It's waiting for you to take action.